eyes on leaves, distant choir, soft line of hits, every sound a love song. Bird chirp through the sunrise, stitching gold into the breeze. Car horns in the distance, sounding urban symphony. Alarm sirens crying out like angels in the street. Every echo got a heartbeat, every frequency can breathe. I sigh in that loving arms, inhale galaxies and mist. Even silence hold a rhythm when the universe exists. Tweets make their noise that poise and deploy. Tiny signals from the branches, turning chaos into joy. Oh, raindrops circle round the mountain. Oh, mountaintops ripple them out. Every word become a river when the inner sky pours down. Inner sky pours down. See Archer, Isis, same wave under different lights. Blue angels in accumulation, dancing through the cosmic night. Your love never left me, never left me. It was sleeping in the deep, so deep. Now the whole world sing together. Every vibration speak. Ocean tides breathing slow against the pillars of the moon. Temple bells and traffic lights humming in the same tune. I used to think love missing till the mirrors open wide. Now I see two sacred currents flowing softly side by side. One wrapped all around the throne, one painted ocean blue. Both living in my bloodstream, saying we were always you. Not divided male and female, not confined to shape or skin. Universal like the starlight, touching everything within. Oh, every raindrop got a memory, every mountain got a name. Every heartbeat in creation, calling softly through the flame. Oh, little blue angels running circles round the inner fire. Family of accumulation, climbing higher and higher. Got children born from absence, but gathered lights return. Every scar became a lighthouse, every silence finally learned. Organic textural pulsations intensify. Incense in the atmosphere, frequencies align. Now the archetype of love move tangible through time. Course along already build the architecture in my chest. And the universe keep humming, keeps humming. You were never any less. Oh, the universe a love machine, every sound a sacred dream. Birds on rainfall, city lights, all singing through the same stream. Oh, see Archer, Isis, two eyes in the cosmic sea. Now the love I thought was distant, waking up inside of me. Ooh, distant layer, multi swells, then fades slightly. Ooh, raindrops circle the mouth, mountaintops ripple them out. And the universe keeps singing.